So guys, I finally passed phase one. Wow, I mean, it has been since August since I've been trading this account, and today I just passed phase one, the 14th of October. I have been trading, and the trade that I passed is kind of funny. I just passed phase one. I took this the trade on GU. I took it yesterday. I should have entered at this point when it came back up here. When it came back here, I should have entered. I was looking at the 30 minutes actually. In the 30 minutes here. So as it came back to this midpoint, this is where I should have entered, and my stop loss would be above here. But because it doesn't really my setup is a sweep of previous session liquidity and displacements, and that one happened during the London. So usually I will be waiting for the same thing to happen during New York, but I saw this as a continuation. I saw it as a continuation, so I waited on the 15th since it was rejecting from here. If it was going to come back, so as it displaced a very tiny fair value gap here that I entered on, and overnight at 5 p.m. when the market 5 p.m. EST, the spread kind of opened but it did not take me out. I was watching it by midnight, and then it came very close, like it created equal highs here, but thankfully my stop was slightly above here, just slightly above here, so I wasn't taken out here. At this point when I said I already thought that the trade was gone, the stop loss was going to be hit and all of that, but only to open the market about hours later, about 1 hour or so, 1 hour later, and saw this big push. This news was news that created this. So I mean, it was a roller coaster trading this phase. I've just been going. Let me show you my journal. So, but I've learned a lot because from August when I started trading this account, see, I was down with losses. I was on a 3 weeks losses, 3-week loss streak. These red are losses. And then I actually learned a lot because it made me review. I would say that I've become more of a disciplined trader because see how many trades I've taken in August, and then going to the next month, September. So the trades are less. Like I had less trades, so I was trading less. During September, I traded less, so I had less losses. So I only had how many losses? I had less losses. Then October finally passed. I've only taken 1, 2, 3. I've only taken 3 trades, but these two, well, my personal account, this is only the trade I've taken. The trade I took yesterday. This is the only trade I've taken this month on the prop firm. I took these two on my personal accounts, which I've been trading, and I've actually been making withdrawal. This one was on my personal accounts. So on the prop firm, I've been trading less. Only high probability setups. That's what I've been taking on the prop firm account. And maybe let's say B plus, I can easily take a B plus setup on my personal accounts and see how that works out. But only A plus high probability setup is what I've decided to be taking from. I made a decision of doing that from, I think it was the second week, or is it the last week? About the third week of September. So yeah, I mean, trading this account has made me learn a lot. So it made me, I would say, more disciplined, more consistent, more committed, more disciplined basically in trading this account. So it's been one hell of a ride. So this is my trading journal, my trades, and then this is where I track my psychology. I started doing this one. When did I even start doing this? October. No, September 12th is when I started doing this. So I decided to track my psychology to know whether the losses I'm taking is a trading mistake or a psychological mistake. If it is a psychological mistake, then I would know what to cut off on, how to improve. If it's a trading mistake, I'll see if it is I'm making mistakes in my trading, or I'm not taking highs, I'm not following my rules and all of that. So I just started tracking this, and I decided to do this when I was going through losses in the prop account. Well, the account has taught me a lot, not gonna lie about that. That's taught me quite a lot. Now I'm only trading EU and GU just to pass the account. To pass the account, I was only trading EU, and before, when I got the account, I was trading different pairs. Sometimes I'll trade on NZD, but now I removed NZD and just focus on these two trades. Let me delete this, it's not necessary. Well, it's I know it's just phase one, but I'm happy to see how much I've grown. In these 3 months, not just in trading but also in my personal life. Being patient. I mean, from this move coming down from last week, my bias has always been bearish, but I have not seen a particular setup to enter. I would have entered there, but price never came back here, and that was a missed. That did not happen. Here again, price never came back there until this week. Price came here, almost very close. And like I'd already given up on the trade when I saw that. Already giving up, and I knew that I should have entered here, just right where the normal entry was. But thank God it all played out. And yeah, hopefully I shall pass phase 2 again. And I have not been making videos for YouTube because I've been staying out of social media. Like, I've just been focused on a lot of things. Focused on myself, my discipline, focused on myself as a trader basically. So I'm staying out of social media. That is why I stopped posting. But I just had to post this one because it's I was really happy. Seeing the trade play out, seeing the past accounts, the past phase. So yeah, I mean, if I can pass phase 1, I can definitely pass phase 2. Yeah. I have learned a lot. That is the most important thing. I've learned a lot. By the way, I've been making. This is not the only account. I mean, like I said, I have a personal account, so I mean, I do trade on that one, and then same process here. But that one is that I am able to make withdrawals, so that has been very helpful for me. So it's a good one. Until next time, see you guys later.